check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to also have a baseball card. I never opened this pack before, first time. Here it is, 2 autograph card, find 2 autographs, 2 memory cards, baseball cards. I paid a lot of money for this card, Pena. On the back's on the side, back side of it, tells you the odds. Like I slowly say, don't tell me the odds. Oh, that came out. Oh, that kind of came out. Here's what it looks like. No, this looks like they have no players. Look, probably with a coffin. Those they came out too. Let's see what kind of bigger treasures they'll find. Sometimes these cards want to fight me. Wait, what do you fight me? I'm your master. So yeah. Here it goes. This is what the pack looks like inside. Other side of it. Right. Here. So the back part of it. I will tell a little story about him. Ellie Dodger. Oh, cool. This guy, bad boy. Cards be worth money, but they may not come back this year. Oh, okay, first hit. Ooh, Jack Cave. Don't know about you, but ooh. Tools of the trade. Got baseball and baseball uniform. Right here. Ooh, got her one. Ooh. Celebration. Wow. Wow, you can really dance. Oh, that's kind of cool. I've never seen this one before. Got baseball. Rookie card. Got memory card. I guess it's the memory cards. Heroes. I've been filled. So much about him. His number. This one's numbered 18 out of 99. Cool. Like Chapman. Kind of cool. Oakland. Okay, next one. These are fighters. God. Jesus. Remember card Babe Ruth? The Babe. You watched that one movie, Soundbox. They talk about Joey. They're like their idol or something. Can't turn her. Back history card, 20 minutes. Oh, cool. Cody's letter at 99. Oh, that's cool. Traded card. Darren Kids. That's really cool. Oh, back to back. Wow. That's cool. Rookie card. At a number at 8 out of 50. And you got a rookie, like a rookie guy, rookie class. Well, power. At 45 out of 99. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like and subscribe. Probably do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.